Okay, so now that we've learned the D major scale, we're now going to go to the G major scale. And it's exactly the same thing as we did on the D string. So we have the same fingering, which is open, 1, 3, 4, open, 1, 3, 4. So that's your G major scale. Let's try that again. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. And again, I want to remind you to keep your thumb on the back, okay? So you always know where you are. Now, we're playing on a different string than we were playing on earlier, and you notice that maybe I'm bringing my arm a little bit farther out so I have better access to the G string and later on the C string when I need it. But I don't bring it out too much. Again, I have a nice straight line here, and no time does it ever look like this or like this. So remember, you want to have a nice straight line between your fingers and your elbow. So it's just a tiny adjustment that you need to make. So now we're going to play the G major scale with the bow. And coming down. So I check and see this is a nice straight line here. So just remember, keep everything in a nice straight line. Now we're going to play a song, which I think you'll recognize, called the Can-Can. We'll take this one a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's play that with the bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to remember that when I have shorter notes, I use less bow than longer notes. Then that will make sure that you have a nice sound throughout the whole piece. That's the G major scale.